Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stock Surfers for analyzing this Indian stock market. So before we get into this week analysis, this is my disclaimer. So this channel was started for an educational purpose only, not for an financial investment, and I am teaching how to analyze the stock market and how I am trading them according to my personal view with Elliott wave theory, and this view may change for each Elliott trader, not the same view as mine. You can learn Elliott waves, and even I can also learn more from the experienced trader through comments in my post about the Elliott waves. I keep learning the market every day. I won't trade according to fundamental and sentimental. I will trading and traded with 100% technical only, what I learned from the books, video clips and some personal experiences. So this channel is fully based on Elliott waves and technicals only. My ambition is to create an awareness to the traders who losing still and lost the money because they're treating this business like a gambling. I'm not asking any investment, so be cautious and beware of the fraudsters. I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans explaining here. So these are all the watch list what we are doing from the past week. Titan, Grasim, Reliance, Tata Motors, Bajaj Finance, Sun TV, JSW Steel, Lupin, Sun Pharma, SBI, ICICI, Axis, DCB and RBL. So these are the bank sectors. This is the pharma sectors. There is steel and entertainment, finance, automobiles and Grasim and Titan. So let's move on to first the Titan. Sorry. So in this, from the past video and my past analysis, I just modified my and view count also I have changed according to that it's already broken that high, but I didn't expect that. If it is in a previous trade setup, it's as a triangle here, it's a so A, B, C, D, E, I placed before it as a triangle like this, and I thought this could be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 as I ended. So if it is a W, this is an X, so this is an A, B and C has to shoot. Otherwise if it is an A, this is the B and C contains a 5-way structure. So here it's the end of the W and I'm expecting for that X wave, but it already broken that and it did a 5-way structure here. So whether this is a continuation of the B way, it's already ended, and the C way is a continuation of the 5-way structure, or it could be an end of this as per this view here. This was the past view and this is the new view. According to this is an ABC, A, B and C is a Gordon diagonal triangle formation pattern. So each and every wave got an ABC inside that wave 1 and wave 2 and wave 3 isn't got extended, so that is what we have to place at WX and followed by that ABC. So this is the end of the third and end of the fourth, and here is the end of the fifth wave. So here also we got exactly the 3-way structure here, and then again the 5-way structure. It's happened yesterday. So now we are on the downtrend. So I don't have any trade in this, because in the past itself I am just confused here and I am not getting anything in this zone. I thought it was a triangle and it has to come down and then it has to go up like that. I'm expecting the past view also. It has to again reach the 920 zone. So that is why I expected from here itself, but it didn't came. And immediately it shooted to the higher, and then what I thought it could be an irregular flat, so it has to reach at least this zone, but again it failed and again it shooted to the high. So even though my analysis is getting to reach the target, I told it's a 1225 and it's already reached almost 1198. So now whether this is the end of that W wave and we need to the continue of the AX, or it could be something else, and again if it shooted means I don't have any idea right now. So this week also I am expecting the 3-way structure to the downside, and if it reaches in this zone to 960 to 1000 zone, and I need to watch this wave formation here, whether it is a three-way structure or what kind of waves is forming here. Then only I have to take a buy here, and I won't trade in futures and as well as options. So I will just wait for the cash segment only. So I will be in buy side only. So I have to wait for I'm just using as an it's not a trading, I'm just using this equity as an investment only. So I just wait for this zone. Otherwise, if it is going to shoot, means I don't care anything about, because I'm not cashing anything. As per now, I just keep on changing the price action according to the price action and keep on changing the account. So as per this, if this is the valid one, I'm getting rejected for the three-way structure to the downside, then I will be in buy side. So that this is the valid count for that. If it is happened like this, so this is the valid count. And if it is shooted from here, so this is get invalid, and I have to look on which wave it is going to the upper side. So it was a different view. So let's see whether this is apart from this view, I'm not having any alternative view. In past it was a triangle, so that got invalid now. That could be maybe from here it's a 1 2 3 4 5, and this could be an irregular flat also, but this has got a 5-way structure. That is why if it is a 3-way structure, I accepted it could be an irregular flat also, but this had finished in that 5-way structure. So in the 15 minutes I already show you it's a 5-way structure. So maybe one more way to the upper side is also possible. So complete for the 5-way structure. This is a 1 2 3 4 5, and here is a 1 2 3 4 5. It can happen like that also. So let's see how it making the wave formations here. So let's move on to next thing is, so we will add more. So right now I am having the 14 only, but I created the watch list, and what I am watching and what are the opportunities, I just explained that. Maybe around a 20 also it will be there, and Hindalco and a lot of things I have had it. I will show you that also later onwards once they are completed of the 14 stocks. So let's move on to what is the next is Grasim. Grasim also I expected at here also I expect a 1 2 3 4 5, and on Friday or Wednesday, I think so, Wednesday or Thursday, I exited my position looking like 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed. So I am expecting the 3-way structure. So I exited at 700. I bought at 610 here 610, and then again I exited here, and again I buy back at 668, and then again I booked at 700. So now I'm expecting a 3-way structure. That is why I exited. And what I did is, again I bought it in the 3-way structure. I bought at the same level 660, and I'm expecting at the 700 zone. I exited my position because I expected this as a 3-way structure, as a flat correction. I expecting to the C-way to the downside around 620 to 630 level. So this is the perfect 3-way structure for the flat correction. So that is why I exited my position. But what happened, again it did a 5-way structure here also. So whether it is the end of the simple correction in the B wave, it's already ended and we are in the C wave, or this is an 5-way structure, right? That is why I'm whether this is the end of that A and B, we are already in the C wave of wave 1, and we are getting that rejected for the wave 2 at again 680, and then it can shoot, or it will be again A, B, C as a 1, and this could be a wave 2, so start of the third. So anyway, I am looking only for the bullish, but already the Nifty I'm getting the rejection zone, and I'm expecting the still downside, and every stocks, each stocks having the pullback in bank sectors also, and a loop in Sun Pharma and JSW and Tata Motors, everything. So it may be a So either thing, this is ABC1, ABC2, ABC is a W, X. So either this A has got finished and B also got finished, or it could be anything else. So maybe a ABC is a W, X, Y. So again there will be a finishing of a little bit high, and then it can be downside also. So I'm not sure about this here, the trading what it is doing here, because if it is coming to the downside, I accepted, okay, it will be a B wave, so that will be a flat correction. But this is made a simple correction, but that is also invalid, and it is also a 38.2 retracement. In the equities it's doing like that only. If it is a bullish, it's already the 38.2 retracted. So this is the chances for making a bullish scenario also. So let's, if it is, and I'm confirmed if it is in the, from 680 and then again it is bounced. So first of all I need to buy a small positions, because I have already exited and I don't have any positions in the Grasim. So 700 I exited, and I already did a 660 to 700, and again what I have to do, expecting this C wave, but it already shooted and did a 5-way structure. So after the 3-way structure, I will just accumulate my 50% of the position here, and I have to wait for that, whether if it breaks this. So this will be the end of something here. It's a 1, 2. So maybe this is the end of the 3rd, 4th and 5th could be ended like that also. So I'm not sure about here. So what I thought is previous, it's a 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5 I got like that, but it could be 1, 2, 3. So this could be a B, C and C. So this could be an again C. So that could be a 4th wave. If it is possible, this could be a 4th wave, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is the end of 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that is why I'm doubting, and I don't have any positions. So whether if it is comes here in the 3-way structure, and again if it is an aggressive, then I will keep and I will add above this zone, but I'm not sure about this. And if it is struggling to make an aggressive movement, if I bought it here, if it comes here and I need to saw this wave formation, and if it is again making a 3 waves, I will exit my position. Otherwise, if it is a strong move like this, I will just keep on watching if it has to break this. So if it breaks this, means it could be a B, C is a B and C is a 1 and contains a 5-way structure to the upper side. So let's move to, I think next one is the Reliance. So Reliance is same, there is no change here. This is a I think it is in the 4th wave. It's a bigger complex correction is happening. So once it already breaks this also, I'm not so confident, because this is an impulsive wave. So whether if it is a 4th wave, I need a bigger correction, and Nifty is also I'm expecting a downside. So whether how it moves, that we need to watch. And if it is there, means if it is going aggressively, so this is the completion of the 4th wave, and A, B and C has to shoot from here itself, because this is an impulsive wave. If it breaks that also, maybe a chances for irregular flat to trap the retailers. It can go above this and then again fall also. So be cautious, and I won't enter here until I get a clear direction. So I am expecting a 4th wave as a bigger correction or a triangle like that. But if it shooted from here, if it breaks this high also 2200 and going aggressively, and that could be an impulsive also. So that 4th wave ended in a very simple correction. So 5th wave is going on. So next move on to Tata Motors. So Tata Motors, I exited my position at 153 and one part, and another part is 147 at the closing time, because it's looking like yeah, I will show you that. I explained that in previously to my friend, and for my here it's a B is a triangle, and C happen. So whether if it is a B, C means we have to be a connecting wave for W, and this connecting wave X is a triangle. Again A, B, C is finished in the 5 waves. Here also 5 waves. So everything it's equal to AB is equal to CD pattern. So here also the same length it did, and again this is a connecting wave, and again for that A, B, Z. So this is the Y waves got finished here, and again if it is going to the upper side for the Z wave formation, continuation of the bullish, again we have like this kind of wave structure happen here. So at that time we have to watch and then enter. Otherwise if it shoot from here also, and again I missed the trade, and I kept only minimum because anything can happen. What it won't do what we expected, right? So I exited nearly 90% and just 10% only holding, because it could be anything. So if it is doing like again it's a small correction, and again if it shooted means, then what I have to do is, this is a W, this is a X, then A, B, C now, and then if it is coming to the downside little bit correction, and then again if it shooted here to 169 or 170, then I have to change this as a W, X, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a, and then bigger B correction, and then again C. So right now I'm expecting like X, A, B, C is a Y completed. So I am expecting this as a, and if it is break means this again 155 we have to watch, and then we have to enter whether it is making a 5-way structure to 170 here to the previous resistance zone, and then again if it is a bigger 3-way structure means I will be there. So let's watch and enter in the trade. So next thing is Bajaj Finance. So Bajaj Finance also ended the 5-way structure. As per my previous analysis, I thought my target is 3,950, but it already completed. The 5th wave is a very little bit small wave. So as per this, wave 1, wave 2 and 3rd wave is completed in the extended pattern. 4th wave is a triangle, and 5th wave got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after the completion of the 5th wave, it could be either A or 1 for the continuation for that bullish scenario. So this is again A, B, C has to happen. So minimum 38.2 50% I am expecting, because this is a 5-way structure. So whether if it is an impulsive, we can get a deeper correction also, or if it is an A, B, C means B because of that zigzag pattern, 5 ways and again 3 ways, maybe around 38.2 or 50%, and then again the 5 ways can happen. So next time the target will be around 4,800 to 5,000. So according to that, we have to projection for that C wave target. So here is a 4,800, the wave 1, approximately if it is get rejected in the 38.2 or 50%. So nearly the 4,700 is an achievable target in either conditions. Or if it is in deeper correction, if it is a wave 1 as a new swing, new bullish movement. So if it is a wave 1, wave 2 can be a get deeper retracement, and then again for the 3rd wave it can shoot either, and we have to keep for that as a long time, because the wave 1 has ended here, and what I thinking here is wave 1. That is why I have mentioned as a, but it's looking like a 5-way structure here ended. It's not looking like a 3-way. And if it is the end of the trend of wave 1, so wave 2 be a zigzag only maximum in that Elliott waves as per that the new downside means it could be a B, C. So if it is a second wave, it could be like that, or either this is an A. If it is still bullish means what it will do is A, B, C can go above this high, 4,900 high, and again it may fall like a irregular flat. So again it won't break this levels. It may break, but in that expanded flat it can do. But I'm expecting for the wave 1 is completed means wave 2 has to come this zone nearly 1500. But let's see what it will do in that future. So right now I'm expecting a 5-way structure is gone and it's completed, 3-way structure and then again 5-way structure. And sometimes in forex market it will do like that also. How we expected that 5-ways as an irregular flat in that bullish scenario, this also can make, this is a 5-way structure, and again A, B, C can go below this low, and again there will be a 5-way structure. So that will become A, B, C in this pattern. And then this kind of 5-way structure can happen here, and then again it may fall. So this A and the whole thing is B, and C can come like this also. So be sure about this. Only if it breaks the high after the rejection, we need to enter only in that small. Don't buy lot, and you have to diversify that. Don't put all the in the one pair, because either we have expecting this has to break the high and nearly 4200 zone because of the 5-way structure. It can do like this also. So this is also valid, and this 5-way structure can happen here. So that will become a irregular flat as a running flat, and this A, B and C. So in lot of pairs it's done like that only. I will show you that in like this kind of thing. I think in Tata Motors it already did like that. That 4th wave, yes, here we thought it would be a 4th, here ended here, and 5th wave is got here, and the new 5-wave structure, and what happened here, and again deeper correction for the 5th wave. So this ABC is a ABC is a B, and C is a running flat. So the 4 becomes a running flat here. Like that it may happen, and here also that bullish swing, and after that it give a second wave for that irregular flat. So if it is in bullish swing for the 5 waves, again you expected the 5 waves to the upper side to break this, but what it happened, like that it could happen in the Bajaj Finance also. So let's move on to Sun TV. Sun TV also I just kept for that positional view. So positional view I already shown in the last video also. So A is completed and B is also completed over the 80% to 90%, and we are in that C way to break this high, or either if it isn't still bearish and we may get a complex correction here, but I'm not expected that here. Here also same. Once again I will put it into the weekly chart. Yeah, this is A, B is a triangle, and C completed in that 5-way structure. 4th is a triangle, and for the B wave also A, B and C is a 1, 2, 3, and the 4th is a running triangle, and then 5th is already completed in the 5-way structure. So there is no here a lot of complex corrections happen in the equity. So like that, why I'm expecting here is the B way is completed, A is completed, B is completed, and C is a 5-way structure, and it will be very fast also. Or either this is the wave 1 also, and this could be a wave 2 also, but it could not be a wave 1 because A, B, C, and we are in that A only. So this is not a wave 1 A. So B and C has to shoot above this level. So the C contains of 5-way structure. So if we switch to the daily time frame, so C is started, wave 1 completed, and either wave 2 is here or either here. If we keep this as a wave 2 and this is the smaller one and this is the smaller 2 and this could be a 3, and we are in the 4th wave, and 5th wave can up to 520 to 540, it can finish here 1 2 3 and 4 and 5. But this is not looking like that. So what I'm thinking here is this could be a wave 2, and again this is the wave 1, and again we can retrace up to that 420 again for this 1 2, and this is a 1 2, and again third wave has to break this high. Or either if it is in the complex correction, because that B wave is not still ended, it could be a correction of a triangle like that. It could happen in the 3 way structure. So if it is a 3-way structure, it's A, B, either in any conditions 3-way structure means this is A, B, C is ended. And again what we have to do is A, B and C. So that C wave is also around 325 to 325 we may get. That is why I just entered only the partial at 430. And again I am keeping that if it comes to 325 or above below that only, I won't add in this 400 or like that, because this is an positional view. I need a above 1000 range. So once that get confirmation of whether we are in the third wave only, I will keep on adding. I don't want to catch the low, I don't want to catch the top or bottom. First I need to catch the reversal pattern. That is the thing we need. I understood in this market. So I'm not so greedy to catch the low and catch the high. So once it is confirmed whether it is in bullish or it is in correction, then only I have to add my position according to that bullish. If it is bearish, I will just keep on adding one positions or what according to my risk management and as per my capital. I will just keep on booking in next wave formations. So next we will move on to JSW. So in JSW my target got achieved. It's 290 was my target, and I have already informed in that my Telegram channel also. And the previous week itself it's almost there, but that structure was not yet completed here in the previous week. So previous week I was expected that 4th wave has to come, so it already came, and I exited at here because I expected that a little bit complex correction in the 4th wave as per that forex, because I'm a forex trader. That is why I am expecting, but the equity it's not doing that much of complex corrections. So again and again I'm doing that same mistake, and I exited at 266. I bought, no 270 I bought, I think so 268 I bought, and again what I did is I exited my position at 280 itself. Here itself I exited expecting that correction. Here I will show you that in here itself I exited my position. It's looking like a 3-way structure, and again it can give a 3-way structure here. So we will play like that, but it did a 5-way structure here. It's a 1 2 3 4 5, and it completed that structure of 5th wave. So as per my view, as per the plan previous, I thought this is a and B, C. So A, B, C is a A, B is a triangle. So C is a 1 2 3 4 5. It's got completed. And today itself I just one more view, alternative view came to me. So whether this could be a wave 1 and wave 2, and this is a intermediate wave 1 and intermediate wave 2. Further this is also 5-way structure. So either this could be a 3rd wave, and 4th wave is a triangle, and 5th wave is an extended wave for this wave 1. So I need to change this intermediate waves, because it's a 1 2 3 4. Here that wave 1 already overlapped here for the wave 4, but the wave 4 is a triangle and ended here at 193, and here is a 188, 189 is the high of wave 1. So wave 4 is ended here, means that is also valid for the triangle. Wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 gotten extended. So if it is a right thing and it is a valid, means, so this 1, this is a wave 2 and 3, now it's ended. So I need to get again a 260 zone for the fourth wave, the previous also the fourth wave, and here also the fourth wave. So again this 258 to 260, if it is a still bullish, we may get here zone and then again bounced for that fifth wave. So fifth wave target around next zone is around the 310 like that, 310, 315 like that for the fifth wave. So for the projection is 0 to third and the rejection fourth, so 38.2 retracement, so nearly 323. So we can exit at 315 as per and the wave formation. But these are all if it is get bounced from here. Otherwise this could be an A, B, C, A only, and this is a three-way structure. If it happened like this and again if it bounced and break this previous high of 294, then only it is considered as a bullish. So if it is a bullish, means here we may get again three-way structure. After that 323 retracement, 323 reached for the fifth wave, we may get again three-way structure, and again, so that will become what it will happen, means this is the head, this is the left shoulder, this is the right shoulder, and it can move for the further upside. Or either if it is an A, B, C also, we may get a three-way structure to that downside for 200 again in a three-way structure. Again it has to go in the five-way structure because it's A, B, C is already over, and again A, B, C has a flat correction. For that A, B, C has to shoot from approximately 200 to next 350 to 360 zone. So that is my view in GSW. So next we move on to Lupin. So Lupin, there is no change in that. I am expecting for that rejection for the three-way structure. It's already got the five-way completed. Once again, yeah, I will zoom that because I keep on posting in TradingView and the Telegram. So that is what I need to mark all those things to understand that. And a lot of people, it's not getting my Elliott waves, so that is why I am just making a video also. So this is a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4 completed, and 5 is also in that 5 waves. So this is the end of wave 1, or A, we can make it as anything, because if it is a correction, that could be a also. And again the three-way structure is a major support zone is 800 and the next support zone is a 700. So either in these two situations, in the two major support zone, it has to get reversed. The same thing in the Sun Pharma also. We finished once again. In Sun Pharma also we completed the five-way structure. 1, 2, 3, 4 as a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is finished, and same thing I am expecting as per that Lupin also. I am expecting the three-way structure. It's already completed A, and then again three-way structure for the B, and C has to come to. So in this after the completion of here, this one A, B, C simple correction, we have to enter, because it may be like Grasim also. It's a simple correction, and then if it is a bullish, and it can shoot also. So be mind that if it is the completion of the three waves, we need to enter here for the partially only. After this of breaking of this high only, we have to enter another partial. Otherwise we have to wait for this has to complete, then we have to add here. So anyway, in the one simple correction we need to add, and we have to wait for that as a bullish formation, and then we have to add above this or if you get anything confirmation here also, we can add another partial also. So that is the thing in Sun Pharma I am expecting. And let's move on to SBI. So SBI also, sorry, second. So before that I need to show you that Nifty and Bank Nifty. I forgot to first, and we will start from that Nifty and Bank Nifty, and then we will move on to the stocks. So we don't want to directly go to the stocks. That I forgot then. So we will do in the from the next way, next stream. So we will do the proper, first we will see the Nifty and then the Bank Nifty. Otherwise first see the Nifty and then the stocks, and then if we come to the bank sector, we will see that Bank Nifty, and then we will see this. Okay, then we will start from here now itself. So first to see the Bank Nifty. For the Bank Nifty, I thought it's A, B, C, maybe a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the past, and then again what I did is A, B, C is a W, X, A, B, and C. I'm looking for the upper side, but I changed my view because of that Nifty. It's got a global indices also falling, and as per this, our stocks also Nifty also keep on falling from 11,794 to now it's almost 500 something I think closed. But in SGX Nifty it already made that 350 something. One second, sorry for the confusions. Yeah, it's already 11,333. It's around nearly 400 points is already down, and I'm expecting little bit higher for the correction, and then again fall for that at 11,000 or 10,850 or 10,950 zone for the previous fourth wave. So in this zone, so this is the major support zone for me, whether if it is continue for the bullish swing or it may continue for the as only A, B, C, and again to the downside for 9,500, 9,600. The next major support zone if it is a three-way structure. If it is a three-way structure, again we have to make a three-way structure nearly 61.8 to 78.6. I'm expecting either this, if it is an 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 means we may get 38.2 to 50% retracement. But if it is a three-way structure, we need to be at least 61.8 to 78.6 retracement. So up to for this zone, I am expecting the 10,950 zone, and there is a channel. According to this, I have made a channel. So whether it is a nearby, it's not. This is only for the support. How it is making as a resistance and then falling like that. If it falls, this trend line also is a median trend line, and again it get retested and again it may fall, because in SGX Nifty it's around 11,250. So I think Monday we may get an gap down, and I need in the global indices also a little bit again that fall for that 78 point or 50% retracement for that fall. So if it happen means again we may get a little bit bounce for the 11,600 zone. Again it may fall to 11,000 or 10,950 like that. So here is the decision making, whether if it is going to the fifth way to make a impulsive way of the five-way structure, or it could be remains the three-way structure, and it will be here also the three-way structure. So again we may get a bigger triangle also if it is getting rejected from here. So there is a lot of chances, because I took it this as a X, this is a Y, we may get the XZ also. Otherwise it could happen anything. Right now we have to trade according to what we seeing here. It's not what we thinking, right? What we predicted, according to this only we have to predict. We can't predict from here, okay, 5 and then again 3 wave and again 5. It's not like that. What we having here, according to this wave formation, we have to predict here. So either if I'm telling like this, everybody will kidding us, right? I know whether it is has to go up or down. That is only two way. But what we are doing here, we done exactly what we make a money, right? According to the Elliott waves. So don't bother about those things. Whoever the negative comments, stay away from that. We are doing good, and we achieved everything as per our view. So whether in this zone we have to watch whether it is making an aggressive movement or it is in a sluggish movement overlapping. So then we can decide whether it is making a triangle also in the fourth wave and it can shoot, or whether if it is in a little bit complex correction and if it is downside. Anyway, we are having wave formation. According to that we can add the position. So in either scenario we having, if it is coming to the downside, again we having one more bullish way to cross this. So let's see. So this was Nifty, and Bank Nifty is, this was I telling that A, B, C is 1 2 3 4 5 in past, and WX A, B, C. I'm expecting that B wave and then C has to shoot. But what I said, no, in that Nifty and global indices coming down, so it may also coming down also. So according to that price action, expecting that, I change this as a A, B. So C is a 1 2 3 4 and 5. This, it could be like this also. So this is also valid. And one more view I have already did. So this is also valid. This is instead of wave 1, this could be a wave, because this is a 5-way structure, we can make it as a 1. So this is an expanded flat or running flat. It's wave 2. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the end of the third. Fourth is a triangle, and fifth wave got it's finished. So this whole move is a 1 2 3 4 5 as a leading diagonal. So leading diagonal is a 5-way, 3-way, 5-way, 3-way and 5. So 5 3 5 3 5 is the leading diagonal. It's if it is a leading diagonal triangle, that could be a ABC1, ABC2, like that. That is different. This is different. So don't want to confuse you. And again we will move on to this thing. Yeah. So whether I'm expecting a little bit correction. So whether it is a deeper correction or whatever it is. So maybe it can reach up to 21,500 or 20,500. But I need this kind of wave formation. It has to happen like this. Bigger correction it has to take. Then only it has to shoot. So let's move on to SBI now. So in this SBI, in previous I thought this is an A. I will switch over to the 4 hours. So if you want to follow me, you have to check for my Telegram channel or in TradingView, because in TradingView I'm not posting lot of things in Indian stocks and keep on posting only that Forex and commodities. So you have to be follow my Telegram channel for all intermediate wave updates. So in previous I thought this is a A. So B as an running flat, and C is a wave 1, because this is also 5S, this is also 5A. I explained in the past video also. So if it is a 1, so this whole thing becomes a 2, and we are on the third wave. I thought like that only, and after that nasty drop, my view got changed now. But I didn't done anything. I didn't book any profit. I am having a position at 192 and 202.50 also. I added the position once it get broke this high, and I'm keep on watching. So now I confirm that it's a bigger correction is ahead. So now what I will do is, if it goes like this, I will exit my position at around 220 to 250. What I have bought at the 202 and 192, my average is around 197. So I will book at 220, because I didn't expect this drop, because this is a wave 1 2, so 3 is getting aggressive move. So what I thought is it may go like this, because there is no support and resistance here. Like that only it has to go, what I thought like that. but there is a roadblock from here. There's a little bit messy and overlapping here, right? The same area we got rejected. So this kind of structure has to happen here. After that only we have to get ready for that shooting, for that C wave. So here also I again changed my view as per that previous current price action. So this could be I thought this could be a 5-way structure, or either this could be a 5-way structure or whatever it is, because in Indian stock markets it's doing like that one, and I explained in the Forex also. Every time it's looking like see, it's a 5-way structure, and again there is an like this kind of wave formation, and it's got confused us. So either way we are getting the rejection. So you just omit this, neglect this, and now we concentrate in this. So whether this is an A, so A, B, C is a W. So this is a connecting wave. Again for this X, A, B, C is a B. So the whole thing becomes a A, B and C. So this A and this is the B and C got completed. So according to that fib expansion level also, A getting rejected B, it's exactly at 78.6. So like that only it happening. Right now we get completed the 3-way structure, and let's see how it moves here. If it is moving like we will see in the 1 hour. So A, B, C is getting the 5-way structure. So A, B, C, A, B, C, B, and I think in Monday or Tuesday we may get like this, and it could be an irregular flat, and again it may fall like this. I'm expecting if it does like this, I will exit my position here, and then again I will buy back around same range of 200, because this could be an X wave completion, and then again it can shoot for the Y wave also. So let's see. This is my view on SBI for coming week, and we will look on that ICICI. So that is also, I changed my view. You just have a look there itself in the past video or past the Telegram also. My view is, this is my current view. So W, so this is A, B and C. So in this is a W. For this X is a running flat, and A, B, C is ended here, because this is a 3-way structure. This is not a 5-way structure. So according to that, I have rearranged this wave count. So W, X, intermediate is a running flat, and A, B, C got completed. So according to that fib expansion level also, W and getting rejected for the X, it's exactly done at that 61.8. This is not an it's not a valid, it's not like that. It has also valid, because it's done a 3-way structure, and again it is getting rejected. So now we need to trade that X wave. So I'm expecting that X wave maybe around the 340 zone. If it is done like this, and I will be in buy side. So this is an W, X, ABC is a bigger W, and X I am looking for this. That same kind of formation only I am looking here. I looked here. It has to come to this zone. That is why I didn't add anything. I will show you here. Now it is happening here. I thought this is an A, B, so this X has to end here. Like this, in previous it was W, X, A, B, C. I expected around that same level of 320 zone, but it didn't came, and again it shooted to the upper side. So whether for me, if it is in W, X in previous. I thought the WA means this could be it's already broken that high in the ICICI, but in Axis it didn't broke this high. So if it is an X wave here, I'm just again explaining here. If this is an ABC, this could be a end of Y wave. See, I'm explaining just how I am changing the labeling according to the price action. So don't confuse yourself also. According to the price action only, I just keep on doing this. So this is a B, C is a B, and C means that X wave may be done here. And what will happen? Again, it can shoot from here itself. That is why I didn't done anything. I just keep on watching that, and we already entered at 409, and if it comes to this zone only, we will add, not here. This is not a confirmation. It may give some pullback, but we are not trading like that. I'm just investing, and I'm holding at least for 10 to 15% we need. So here for the intraday at least 10 to 15%. But for the swing we need nearly 30 to 40%. How I get in the Tata Motors? 102 and 150 is almost nearly 48%, right? Like that only we have to trade. Just keep on watching, be patient, and the trade has to come to you don't follow the trade. So once I got entered here also, and we already in the 351, I just keep on adding the position. That is why I added here 409. And now what is my average? 351 and 409. So nearly it's a 49 and 58, 29. So nearly 380 is my target. 380 is my break-even point now. So still we are in that trade only. And again I won't add here because the same zone. If it comes here, again we will add because that is a confirmed trade. So if it is there, X means it can shoot from here itself, A, B, C. So I'm not sure about this, but this may happen. This is a B, and this could be an X, and this is an A. And this could be the X wave. So this would be a W, what I did, yeah, here. So this is what I am expecting this week. Let's see how it is going. If it should, and if it breaks this 421.85, then that will be what I expected, right? This is a A, this is a B, and this is a C. So this X will become here. So that this is the Y, X, and we are in that Z wave formation. So next we will move on to Axis. Axis also I changed my wave count, and here what I did is the bigger triangle. Now that bigger triangle, inside the triangle, see this is a W or A, and A or W, because here A, B, C is a A, so the whole thing becomes a B. For this is an A, B, C. So according to that fib retracement, this is an irregular flat. Maybe what I'm saying is it's not 100%. It's all maybe, because exactly it got rejected at 127.2, and it is a valid for that irregular flat formation. So whether this is a A, B, C, A, and the whole thing becomes a B, C in the three-way structure, and we may get again to the downside nearly 422, 380 zone, 390. So if it is what I'm thinking like that. So anyway, we are already in the at 405, and we already in that 440. How that we get it in the 351 and the ICICI, same thing, we are in that 440 zone, and again I added at 505. So now we are in that same zone where we bought, and again I am expecting if it is comes like this, I will add, and I won't add anymore. So only the investment for this paid is over. I will add only the 3 times, all 30% only. But here what I did is I again 30% added and reserved for here to higher zone to add. But it's what I expected, it's reversed. So again that reserved 30% will be accumulated at 340 or whatever. But if it is not, I'm not satisfied because I already bought at 440 and 505. Again if it comes to again the same 400 means it's around 40 points only. So no need to average here and to take more risk also. So as per this, I am expecting here for this week may get rejection, some bounce back for the 505. So that time what I will do is that 505 what we entered here, we may exited the position at break even, and then again we look for that to add here. So that is my view. Whether if it is an X and this is a W means, I will show you in the drawing. See, this is an A, so we make it in the blue. Okay, so this is an A, B and C. So this is an A, B, C. So A, B and C has to fall. Or whether if it is a W means this is a X, so in the 3-way structure it has to fall. So anyway the patterns remain same, the wave formation will different. That's it. So again this impulsive wave has to happen here. So that could be a bigger one because W, X, A, B and C. So my target is same, it remains same. There is no change in that. So let's move on to DCB. DCB also get into the 80 zone, just keeping I didn't done anything because I know it is a trend line, it's coming, and I have explained that also. There is a very trend line, so we may get some rejection because I entered at 80 zone, exactly the low. So why I need to exit, right? My target is around 200. So this is our investment, it's not for trading purposes. What I am doing here, it's only for the investment purposes for myself. I am not forcing you to do. I am just explaining how the Elliott waves and how I am trading them. So this is not suggestible to blindly to follow me. So if it is whether this is a A and this is a B, C is 1 is completed and 2 has to end to complete, and then it has to shoot. So once if it breaks this high, I may add some more thing because I have got only one position here. So I have allotted only 3 for each pair. I am having the 3 average positions. So I have accumulated only the 30% here, and I am getting ready to accumulate above this zone, not here, the same zone. Otherwise, if it is in the bigger retracement, if it comes to the 70 zone, I will add. So no more add in this zone. So here I need to explain. Here I have already did as a wave 1. So this, if it is a running flat, it could be a wave 2 also. So that this is a bigger one and bigger 2, and this is a smaller one and smaller 2, and it will continue to that if it is an impulsive wave. If it is a wave 1 and wave 2, like that it can continue. That is why I have an alternative view here. So don't wave 2 is not a triangle, that I know very well. So that is why I have mentioned this as a wave 1, and wave 2 may be here itself if it is not a triangle. If it is not a triangle, wave 2 is here, but if it is a triangle, wave B is here. So let's move on to next is RBL. So RBL also got completed that 5-way structure, or either this could be a little bit correction only. I will show you here how I am viewing here. So this is an A, B and C. So whether this is an A, B, C got completed as a A and B is the triangle, C is a 1 and V2, but here it may get invalid because it is already deeper correction and it may break this low also. Let's see that I'm not guaranteed here, but it may break also. So if it break means that A, B, C is a continuation will be get invalid. So at the time what we have to place is wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4 is a triangle and 5 is completed. So this is a 5-way structure, and then again we having a deeper correction for the wave 2, or either this could be a A also and B also. We may get a deeper correction around 138 also. They are good buying zone, and before that we have a roadblock at 160. And one more doubt for me here is I will show you and how I am changing that view. Okay, whether if this is an wave A is completed, right, here is a smaller triangle in this zone. So this is a W, mind this is a A. So A, B, C, D, E. So this A, B and C. So what it will happen like this, because this A, B and C, and here also A, B, C. So for that irregular flat in that B wave is still valid exactly. It got rejected at 127.2. So again we may get a 3-way structure or 5-way structure. Anything is valid. So whether if it is coming here and it didn't break this low means that will be a running flat, or if it break and it fall below this level means that it could be an expanded flat. And again it can shoot for the C wave also. So mind that there is a lot of count view is possible, but everything remains bullish only. Before that we may get a correction in this zone. So in either conditions, whether after completing the 3-way structure, we need to add, because I didn't have any position here. We already booked that, what I said in the past video also. So in the next 3-wave structure I will enter the position partially. So I think I finished in the RBL also. As per that watch list, we completed 14 pairs plus Nifty and Bank Nifty. So 16 pairs we completed. So let's have a look on different pairs what I'm watching that, but I won't get deeply, so just I will finish very fast. Okay, so this is an HDFC Bank. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is completed as a leading diagonal. So this is a 5 waves and this is a 5 waves, and here is a 5 waves. So 5, 3, 5, 3 and 5. So this is a leading diagonal, and we are expecting a B wave to the downside. So whether it could be a wave 1 and wave 2 also. So right now we finished only the B wave. So whether that could be an irregular flat if it breaks this 1157, and for the C wave has to come down, or whether if it is a running flat it can shoot from here itself. But if it breaks this high only, that will get valid for the irregular flat. If it is not breaking and if it is comes to break this also, that is a regular flat. So this is my view in HDFC, and L&T is also a little bit nice. And here it's a B, C is a B, C. So this is a W, X, A, and we are in the B wave. So I'm expecting C wave has to shoot, but see everything it is in the middle. We are giving the entries. It's not in the lower levels. So what we have to do is sometimes see A, B, C becomes a W also. Here X also. A, B, C means the 5 swings is over, and we may get a bigger 3 swings to the downside. to that 800 and then again it may short. So don't overload everything in that one same positions, because I'm doing it for investing and I'm not for trading, and it will took more time to reach the target. So maybe around 1 month or 2 months like that. So be cautious whether the placing of the W and A, we have to be in alternate scenario only. It's not about why I'm placing this as a B and C got means this is a regular flat. So again we have to continuation. So W, X, A, B, C, this is not 100% guaranteed. Anything, there is no 100% guarantee in the market. So if it comes down like this, what you have to change? This is a W, X, A, B, C. Right, that is also valid count. In correction, the W and X it's happening, it's not 100%. How I'm changing that Bank Nifty, ICICI, Axis, it's like that. If it goes like this, I will just keep on the same counts. There is no doubt how that JSW did. And now also I get the one more view way, and I also explain the JSW. So like that, keep on changing. But if I'm expecting here means we no need to exit our position and expecting here. If it comes here, we have to add the position. That is the only one thing we have to do. So next we move on to ITC. It's also very messy and overlapping. So according to this also, ABC is a B, C is a W, or it could be ABC 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 got completed, or we are in the bigger correction, can't say, and there is a bigger bearish trend line is there, and we are in the same zone. It's not yet shooted, it's closed above that and just overlapping that, and we are now inside the channel. So beware of this, it may get a deeper correction and then it can shoot. And Hindelco, so this is a diagonal triangle. It's a very hard to trade. I'm not, and I missed the trade here, and now it is again same zone only. Here is a ABC is a 1, ABC is a 2, ABC is a W, X, because why I have placed the W inside impulsive way means this is a diagonal triangle, and third way is got extended according to that Elliott waves, wave 1 and rejection of the wave 2. Wave 3 is above that 1618. That is why we have placing that WXABC. This is a diagonal triangle, and the third wave got extended. So as per this is a wave 1, 2. So 3 is completed, and I am expecting this has to do. Anyway, the fourth is a triangle or irregular flat. But above this level, we need to enter or may not, or otherwise we have to catch here. But we don't sure about this. See, this becomes a B, C, W, again X, A, B and C also. So anything we can change according to the wave count. This is not 100% everything. We can trailing the trades. According to that we have to do. That is why I am not entering in the middle part. If it is in lower level, how I caught that DCB and the Tata Motors like that, and JSW in the middle I did, and immediately I exited within that 15 to 20 points. Like that, if it is an intraday trade, we can do that for the cash also. So like that we can do here also. That is why I'm just keep on watching. These are the watch list, and Wipro also same. It is in the middle part. In either condition it has to one more wave. That is why I just watching this. Everything it is looking like a fourth wave and one more wave to the upper side. So wave 1 or wave A, wave 2 or wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is got completed. So whether if it is a B, C means is a B or bigger correction, or if it be converted into the 5-way bullish swing means it has one more way to the upper side is possible. So in that time we need to delete this A, B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So next is IOC. So IOC also from that here I already did I think so. Yeah, I already get ready for that positional wave also. So in positional view I am just looking for that target of 107. in that this is a bullish 5-way swings, 5-wave, and again we are in that deeper correction. So in that deeper correction also I am expecting, and I keep on sharing my view in the Telegram channel. You just have a look there, you have to join that, then only you can follow me. All nearly 35 to 40 pairs I'm just giving update. So this is a wave A or 1, so this is a W. A, B, C is an irregular flat of X. Again A finished in the 5-way structure and B is in 3-way structure, and we are on the C wave. So C wave may be a 5-way structure or overlapping a diagonal type of wedge formation, like that it can happen. So I am just waiting for this 77 to buy here. So that is a good zone. Let's see. And Parag Milk is a milk food company. So this is from here also I just did an positional. This is an ending diagonal structure. It's a wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. It's completed. Now this is also a 5-way structure. Here, sorry, it's not a 5-way structure, it's a ABCA. It's looking like a 5-way structure, that is why I have kept this as, 1 second, I will have a look for the 1 hour. By mistake I have did or not, why I have placed the wave 1. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is got expanded. Okay, like that I have kept the wave 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So maybe it's a AR1, and here it's already broken the high. So this is an irregular flat of wave 2 or wave B, and 1 is completed, and I have already did, and I have explained that in that Telegram channel also. Again the wave 2 is maybe a irregular flat, and then we can do to the upper side also, to go to the upper side. So whether we may complete it here, let's see. No, it's just only 50%, 61.8 is completed. So let's see whether if it is going to the downside. A, B, C means it can go a deeper correction also, but I'm not sure about this. Just have a look. These are all just only watch list. And Ashok Leyland, it's a bullish only, because I did a positional count. So A, B is a triangle, C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and wave 2 or B is completed. I'm looking for that bullish swing for that C wave or third wave. So in that case scenario, this could be a wave 1, 2 and intermediate wave 1, 2, like that it can happen. So this is all slow moving pair, I think so. So I think it's enough. And Raymond also I did the weekly chart. So A, B and 1, 2, 3, and we are on the 4th wave. So it's doing the same what I expected. It is in the triangle. So I'm expecting this triangle, and then again it forms. It is a good buy at 160 levels for that bullish. So I think thanks for watching, and I finished everything more than that watch list. And if you want any update for these pairs, you can just go through my Telegram channel, and then you can follow me also. But it's only for the educational purposes, not for suggesting that investing or trading. And I won't trade in that options and futures also. So only for the cash segment I'm just doing investment, how I'm doing that, and just I'm explaining my experience, because I'm new to that Indian market. In past I have already explained that forex and commodity trader. So this is a good and very easy to it's not that much tough as forex. It's very easy. So let's see in the next week. So thanks for watching, and thanks for giving your support and likes. So we will see in the next stream. Have a nice day and have a good week.